Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a ride through a place steeped in history, Oyster Bay, Long Island. This town is often overlooked, with many locals not realizing the importance it played in the Revolutionary War. Let me tell you a bit about this place as we make our way through. Long before any European settlers arrived, Oyster Bay was home to the Matinecock Indians. They thrived here, sustained by the abundant shellfish and wildlife, especially those famous oysters that gave the bay its name. The bay was named by the Dutch captain David Pieters de Vries. On June 4th, 1639, his journal describes how he came to anchor in Oyster Bay, which is a large bay which lies on the north side of the great island. There are fine oysters here, whence our nation has given it the name of Oyster Bay. They claim the broader region as part of their province of New Netherland. Fast forward a few years. The English arrived in 1653. English colonists Peter Wright, Samuel Mayo, and Reverend William Leverich arrived from Cape Cod and settled near Oyster Bay Harbor. While the Dutch used the name Oyster Bay for the immediate harbor, the English settlers also referred to the area as Oyster Bay due to the same abundant shellfish. This created a boundary dispute between the two powers, with each having their own main street at one point. However, it was during the American Revolution that Oyster Bay truly entered the annals of history. Following the Battle of Long Island in August 1776, a decisive British victory that forced Washington's army to retreat, Long Island, including Oyster Bay, fell under British occupation. For the next 7 years, redcoats were a common sight, and the town became a strategic outpost for the British Crown, with George III at the helm. But beneath the surface of British control, a secret war was being waged. Oyster Bay was a crucial hub for the Culper Spy Ring, one of the most effective intelligence networks of the Revolutionary War. Brave patriots like Robert Townsend, aka Samuel Culper Jr., code number 723. He ran a store right here in Oyster Bay, risking his life to gather information on British movements and relay it back to George Washington. Imagine the tension, the whispered conversations, the hidden messages, all happening right where we're riding today. It's a truly incredible story of courage, cunning, determination, and grit. All qualities we could use more of. After the war, Oyster Bay slowly but surely transformed. It began to attract wealthy New Yorkers seeking respite from city life. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the construction of magnificent estates, perhaps none more famous than Sagamore Hill, the home of President Theodore Roosevelt. Roosevelt's love for Oyster Bay brought national attention to this charming town. Today, you can still feel echoes of its history in the preserved buildings, the serene harbor, and even the local stories. It's a very affluent place where you can connect with centuries of American history, from indigenous roots to revolutionary secrets. So next time you're out for a ride, consider a trip to Oyster Bay. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and until then, safe riding.